All right, for this lab about muscle fatigue, you can use either a clothespin, you can use a test tube clamp, but this lab is to help in understanding the differences between the different types of muscle. So on your supplies, your flash drive, you'll have a power-up question, you'll have a focus question for the lab, but on the back, or your second slide, is where your students are going to put their information. So you might want to have them print this out, or if again limited on prints, you could put this on the board or in Google Classroom, do a digital version, or you could have them create this table in their science notebook. So let's get started. So on the right side, I'm right-handed, so my dominant hand, I'm going to clip. You're going to do this different number of times. Again, it's important to do various trials because of the accuracy in lab. So you don't want to just do it once or twice. This time has for 5 different trials. So you're going to use your dominant hand and your recessive hand. You're going to do it for up to intervals of 30, 60, 90, 120, and 150 seconds. And you're just going to see how many times can you clip in each amount of the time interval. That's when your hand-to-duty stopwatch comes in. So again, you might have your lab partner, or you might sit here and count, but again, you don't want to do this if you're doing it for 150 seconds. You might have your lab partner write down the number. So again, clothespin, test tube clamp, dominant hand, repeated trials, non-dominant hand or your recessive hand as your other. And then you're going to talk about muscle fatigue. Why is it important then for what happens when our muscles start to fatigue and get worn out? So pretty easy demonstration to understand how muscles work. Good luck.